Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Do you want your garden to always be full of vibrant flowers, with every plant healthy and full of vitality? In today's video, I will share a very simple care formula for Anthurium and many other plants, using only familiar ingredients available in the kitchen that anyone can easily do at home. This method not only helps plants grow better, but also supports glossy green leaves, strong roots, and evenly blooming, long-lasting flowers all year round. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any useful plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let's get started. Do you have rice at home? Surely every kitchen has it, right? The first step, I use rice as an ingredient for the plant. Rice contains a lot of starch, B vitamins, and some natural minerals, helping provide a gentle source of nutrition for the plant. First, prepare a blender as shown in the video. Next, add 3 tablespoons of rice into the blender. Then, close the lid and blend until very smooth. Blending helps release the nutrients in the rice, making the mixture finer, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients faster and more effectively. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. After blending, we will obtain a fine rice powder like this. When finely ground, rice powder helps release maximum nutrients inside, creating conditions for the plant to absorb faster, nourish strong roots, and support stable growth. The next step, put all the ground powder into a clean glass cup. Then, add 500 milliliters of hot water to mix the rice powder. Finally, cover and let the solution sit for 1 hour. During that time, I will prune rotten leaves and damaged roots of the Anthurium. This helps remove diseased parts, limit the spread of fungi and bacteria, and create conditions for the plant to focus nutrients on new roots and recover faster. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Similarly, I also apply this pruning method to orchids, helping the plant become more airy and stimulate the growth of new healthy roots. Do you grow orchids? In fact, not only Anthurium, but orchids and many other plants can also apply this method for more effective care. The formula I shared today is very simple and can be used for many types of plants in the garden. If you find it useful, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you don't miss simple but effective planting tips. After about 1 hour, I will use a strainer to remove the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. This solution now contains dissolved nutrients, helping plants absorb more easily and work more effectively when used. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the rice solution. That's it. We now have an organic fertilizer solution to water all plants in your garden. Method 1. Pour the rice solution into a basin as shown in the video. Next, place the Anthurium pot into the basin containing the rice solution. This helps the solution slowly absorb from the bottom of the pot up through the entire growing medium, ensuring the roots receive nutrients evenly and steadily, avoiding the situation where some areas get too much while others lack. Besides Anthurium, I also place the orchid pot into the rice fertilizer solution. Orchids also absorb nutrients very well in this way, helping orchid roots receive nutrients regularly, stimulating new roots to grow quickly, white, plump, and healthier. At the same time, the bottom-up soaking method helps the growing medium retain stable moisture without causing waterlogging, creating an ideal environment for sustainable orchid growth. Method 2. Next, pour the diluted rice solution into a small cup, as shown in the video. Then, use a soft cloth or clean cotton to absorb the solution and gently wipe each side of the Anthurium leaves. Regular leaf wiping helps remove dust, keeping the leaf surface clean and airy, thereby increasing photosynthesis efficiency. Rice powder provides starch and B vitamins, supporting thicker, greener, and healthier leaves. When wiping, pay attention to wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves. This can be done 1 to 2 times per week to help the plant stay green and develop steadily. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Besides Anthurium, I also apply this method to wipe the leaves of Peace Lily. This method helps leaves stay clean, green, glossy, and limits dust accumulation on the surface, thereby increasing photosynthesis and helping the plant grow healthier. At the same time, regular leaf wiping also helps maintain natural moisture for the leaves and keeps the plant fresh. Method 3. Pour the diluted rice solution into a spray bottle. Then spray lightly and evenly over the Anthurium, including leaves, stems, and base. This solution helps supplement natural nutrients from rice powder, such as starch and B vitamins, supporting the plant to increase resistance and grow healthier. When spraying, spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves to clean the surface, helping the leaves stay airy and increasing photosynthesis efficiency. Besides Anthurium, I also apply this method to Peace Lily, as it has large leaf surfaces that easily collect dust and need frequent cleaning. Spraying the rice solution helps the leaves stay lush green, clean, glossy, and airy, thereby increasing photosynthesis efficiency and helping the plant develop more steadily. At the same time, the natural nutrients in rice powder also support thicker, healthier leaves, limiting dullness or weak vitality. When maintained regularly, you will see the plant become fresher, leaves hold a better shape, and the overall plant becomes noticeably healthier. Result after 2 months. After about 2 months of applying the rice powder care method, the plants show very clear changes. For Anthurium, after about 2 months, the plant shows very noticeable changes. The leaves become darker green, thicker, and glossier, with a clean and firm surface, no longer dull or lacking vitality. New young leaves grow sturdier and more evenly, helping the plant photosynthesize better and maintain stable growth. The root system also develops strongly, producing many new healthy white roots that firmly anchor into the growing medium, thereby improving water and nutrient absorption. Thanks to this foundation, the plant begins to flower more evenly, with strong flower stems, brighter colors, and significantly longer-lasting blooms, making the Anthurium pot always stand out and full of life. For orchids, the root system recovers strongly, with many new white, plump roots appearing, green root tips, and firmly attaching to the growing medium. Leaves are thick green, the plant grows balanced, flower spikes develop well, with many buds and evenly blooming, long-lasting flowers. For Peace Lily, leaves become lush green, clean, glossy, and hold a better shape. The plant grows steadily, white flowers bloom evenly and last longer, and the overall plant looks healthy and full of vitality. What do you think about this plant care method using rice powder? Have you tried applying it to your plants? Share your experience in the comments. This is a well-deserved result of patience and proper care. When properly nourished, plants will develop sustainably and bring long-lasting natural beauty. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss simple but effective planting tips. See you again in the next videos.